AI today is like knowing how to read in the age of Python. So here are the 5 reasons why Python still matters more than ever. First, Python is decision-making language. Imagine you run a juice shop. Before deciding which juice to sell more, what price to keep and what customers like, you first look at yesterday's sales, try small changes, look what works, and Python helps you to do the same thing. So it is used when you want to understand information, you want to test ideas safely. It doesn't build just things, it helps you to decide what should you build. Second, Python moves from consumer to creator. Consumer is someone who only uses tools, creator is who makes tools. For example, you calculate expenses every month on your calculator. That's consuming. Now imagine Python does the calculation automatically, shows you where the money is wasted, send you reminder. Now you created a helper. Python helps people stop doing boring work again and again, stop trusting apps blindly, and start making their own small tools. So you don't feel dependent anymore, you don't feel in control. That mindset change is huge. Third, Python is language of experiments. Before building something big, people try small ideas. Like cooking, you don't serve new dish to guests immediately. You first try small amount, change salt, do test.
Yummy.
Python is used exactly like that. Scientists, engineers, even business people test ideas in Python, see that works and throw away what doesn't. So ideas are born in Python, final product come later. If you want to be close to new ideas, discoveries, innovations, Python puts you at the starting point, not the end. Fourth, Python is backbone of AI. Python is used in AI, machine learning, deep learning, LLMs means large language models, because Python has powerful libraries that makes AI possible. If you want to work as data analyst, data scientist, AI or ML engineer, Python is not an option. Python helps you to work with AI, not under it. AI can write code, but AI can also make mistakes. If you don't know Python, you cannot trust AI blindly, cannot fix or verify problems. But if you know Python and check AI's work, correct its mistakes, and use AI safely and wisely, Python turns AI from boss to tool. If you prefer reading over watching, I share deeper breakdown on the Medium, link in the bio.